guys, welcome back to the channel, and I am really excited for these 2021 videos because we're going to get back into our deep cleaning, our decluttering, and organizing. And if you guys are doing that in your home, I'm excited to do it with you guys. So I did have a list of some areas that I wanted to deep clean in today's video, so that is what we're going to be doing. I hope it gives you guys all the motivation. Make sure you guys comment down below and say hi, and without further ado, we're going to go ahead and just jump right in.
Look at you all night, put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful, you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable.
So before I started my list, I wanted to go ahead and get some of the dishes done and kind of clean up in the kitchen just a little bit before we dive into the deep cleaning.
I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
So I've been cooking a lot lately, so before I start, I wanted to go ahead and clean them with the 7th generation disinfecting wipes, just because I've been cooking with a lot of meats and things like that. And then next, we're going to go ahead and clean it further with the Barkeeper's Friend, and that really cleans well on your glass stove top.
Hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Ooh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel fine. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that.
So what I'm using to scrub my stove is the Scrubber Scrub Daddy. I really like those Scrub Daddy sponges. They're amazing, and they have so many different ones for different areas in your home and different textures. And so I'm using like a scrub one that's just gonna help really get some of those like water rings out of my stovetop.
I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
Wanna shake the ground.
All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and clean my oven. It desperately needed it. I wanted to go ahead and try out the self-cleaner option on my oven, but stay tuned for later on in the video so you can see what really ended up happening. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and take out the racks, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put those in my sink. I'll be cleaning those separately. And then I played around with the steam option first, so it was like a 20-minute steam, and then we'll do the self-cleaning next. So while the oven does its thing, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up the rest of the kitchen.
Grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us go tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down. 'Cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with
Since we're deep cleaning today, I wanted to share this new air purifier that I've been testing out the last couple of weeks. It's called the Toppin HEPA Air Purifier, and I've actually teamed up with Toppin to tell you a little bit about it. I've been wanting an air purifier for a while now, you guys. If you didn't know, air purifiers are used to cleanse the air in an indoor space by removing the impurities such as odors, smoke, dust, and pet dander. This one is very awesome because it covers an area up to 100 feet. There's 3 different fan speed levels, quiet operation, and a nightlight. I will have a discount code for you guys down below and their link just in case you're in store for a home air purifier too.
Warm hands, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point of this? But I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone.
All right, you guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and clean these racks. I am just using the Bon Ami powder and going to scrub the heck out of it.
It's me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you.
So right here's when I went ahead and turned on the self cleaner. It said it was gonna take about 3.5 hours, but you'll see soon. I ended up having to go ahead inside and clean it myself. So stay tuned for that.
So curious, so curious. Your friends have told me just to give you time. Weekends are passing by like everything is fine. I know this is so delusional. I have lost my grip, but I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone.
So the next thing we're gonna do for our deep cleaning today is clean all of the cupboards. I'm just using a hot soapy cloth to do that. I do try and wipe them down as often as possible when I see any food splatters. It's good to go ahead and wipe them all down because they do collect dust.
You, I'm sad after this, I'm not out there. You leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious. I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I'm recklessly drawn to you somehow, but you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious?
We're gonna go ahead and clean my window seals and my sliding glass door. They collect a lot of dust and dirt here in Arizona, so I want to keep up with those as much as possible. And obviously I don't. You see how dirty they are, you guys. So I'm just taking my vacuum cleaner and just kind of getting all of that dust and dirt up that I can. And then I will be going in with my microfiber cloth and just some hot soapy water to get the rest of it up.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without
Let me know down in the comments what are some areas in your home that you're going to be deep cleaning this year. I would love to hear. I have tons of ideas of spaces that I want to get done. I know a lot of you guys probably do too. It's so refreshing to start a new year off with a new clean and organized home. It just feels so good, especially after a long year of us being stuck at home basically. I know we got a lot of stuff that we can get done. So we're going to do this year, you guys.
I don't wanna wake up, don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to.
I love using this little Rubbermaid scrubber. It's an electric scrubber. It really helps loosen up those tougher areas to clean.
Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do. Around your finger, tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger.
So now we're gonna go ahead and clean the baseboards in my kitchen. Instead of doing my whole house at once, which is a lot of work, I went ahead and decided to break them up in different areas over a few different videos. So we'll be attacking all the baseboards in my house little by little, but we're gonna get it done. And here I'm just using hot soapy water again. You can go a long way with just some hot soapy water, let me tell you. So there's definitely some baseboards that I'm going to need to just repaint to get them clean, you guys. They're just worn down. So I'm doing the best I can on getting some of that collective dust and dirt off, but I'm definitely going to have to paint them. So right here I am taking my stainless steel e-cloth and going ahead and cleaning my dishwasher.
Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down. Wanna be the first who knows all of your deepest secrets. Can I be the one who wakes you up before you missed your ride? 'Cause I wanna be close to you, and I wanna show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that.
So basically what happened is that we got an error code on our oven when we were using the self-cleaning option. So I basically had to stop using it, turn it off, and I went in there to check to see if I can go ahead and just wipe it down, if the steam and the self-cleaning worked a little bit. It kind of did, but not enough for me to clean this oven. So what I decided to do is go ahead and use the easy off, let that sit in there for about 10 minutes. The stove was still warm. And so I let that sit in there for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna go back and wipe it down. And then we're gonna go back and clean it. And you guys, easy off works so well. I hate the smell because it's so strong, but it works so good.
Gonna try to keep the pace, but someday we will find that the world has changed, but we stay true to each other. I will always be there for you whenever you need my help. I'm taking my time to be your rock. I don't ever wanna be apart. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. That's the flying colors now. Show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back. Yeah, you can count on me. Yeah. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. As we're flying colors now. As we're flying colors now.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. Let me know if there's anything you guys want to see in my upcoming cleaning videos, and comment down below and say hi. Also, don't forget to check out Toppin's air purifier, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys have an amazing week.